To record your laptop screen, you want to click on your keyboard, Shift Windows R, and it will bring out this snapping tool. You use it to draw which part of the screen you want to record. I'm just going to draw this part of my screen, and you click on Start Recording here, and it starts recording your screen. It's going to give you a countdown that your screen recording has started. So if you go over to Chrome browser and record your screen, once you're done with your screen recording, what you're going to do, you can either pause your screen recording or you can stop it here. So I'm going to quickly stop my screen recording, and it brings up this snipping tool window. Here I'm going to click on Save As to save my screen recording, and you save that. Like this video if you got value from it, and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.